Hello everyone, welcome to another project demo. This is flashcard generator with the help of Google Gemini. So as you can see, this is a home page and the login and sign up functionality is backed by Clerk. So let's log in. I go with Google. So see, this is logged in. So let's generate a set. Uh, let's input dog. So these are the flashcard which is related to dog. When I flip, then it uh, shows the answer, and we can actually save into the database with the name of dog. So see this the pop-up showing saved successfully. Let's check into the database. Name dog, query builder. See this all the data directly save into our database, and also it is also saved in view our set option. See, and this project is deployed on Netlify, and this is my repo. I built this project by Next.js, Clerk, Stripe payment gateway. So the Stripe payment gateway is this, which is coming soon. Thank you for seeing my video. Bye.